The mother came in early labor and was diagnosed then. So we were able to assemble a multidisciplinary team very quickly with support from the management, administration. We were able to have the obstetric team, the anesthesia team, pediatricians, pediatric surgeon, as well as the nursing team, all availed themselves, and we were able to successfully conduct the delivery.
It was the first time for us to handle conjoined twins, but we had an advantage. We were told in advance that conjoined twins were expected to be delivered. So immediately we prepared ourselves to make sure we receive these babies.
Jana asubuhi ndo nikaanza hizo dalili, ndo nikakuja kafanywa scanning, kaambiwa watoto ni mapacha but wameshikana. But sishtuki sana kwa hilo. Ila nashukuru kwa sababu tokea jana mpaka saa hii naona huduma zenu ziendelea.